Yes, Cookie.
Come along, let's dive today. Ocean animals, let's all play. With Chiku and Cookie too, let's learn something fun and new. Dolphin. Dolphin, dolphin, jump so high. Splash, splash, touch the sky. Shark. Shark, shark, swim along. Swish your tail, big and strong. Octopus. Octopus, wave your arms. 1, 2, 3, so much charm. Sea turtle. Sea turtle, swim so slow. Flap your flippers, go, go, go. Crab. Crab, crab, side to side. Walk along with funny pride. Clownfish. Clownfish, bright and small, swimming happily for us all. Starfish. Starfish, starfish, shine so bright. 5 little arms, what a sight. Jellyfish. Jellyfish float so free, bounce so gently in the sea. Whale. Whale, whale, big and blue, splash up high, woohoo! Seal. Seal, seal, clap, clap, clap. Happy seal, say clap, clap, clap. Let's remember once again. Dolphin, splash, splash, splash. Shark, swish, swish, swish. Octopus, wave, wave, wave. Sea turtle, flap, flap, flap. Crab, side, side, side. Clownfish, swim, swim, swim. Starfish, shine, shine, shine. Jellyfish, float, float, float. Whale, splash, splash, splash. Seal, clap, clap, clap. Ocean animals, hip, hooray. Learn and sing with us today. Chiku and Cookie say, see you soon. Have a happy day.
Please like, share and subscribe. Tata.